Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on flash focus on Android phone. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. When you turn on this flashlight, then you have an incoming calls. The light or the flashlight of your phone will be blinking and it notifies you that you have a call. Now, for you to do that, guys, it's very simple. Just come to this your phone app and click on it. From there, click on this settings app. On the first list there, you have flash for calls. Under that flash for calls, you can see what is there. The flashing light will continuously flash to prompt you when the screen is off. That means when you toggle it like this, it will change to white and green. That means you've turned it on. So guys, when you turn it on and you have any incoming calls, that your flash will be prompting or will be flashing and you'll be able to see that you have any calls. Then now that we've set it, let's give it a trial from the other phone. You can see what I'm talking about, guys. So guys, that is how to turn on flash for calls on Android phone. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.